Alright, so we gotta go to the beach real quick, and before it starts like raining bad, it's raining right now actually. Just sprinkling though, so we'll be alright, but we're gonna try to find a beach, do something a couple hours, because in a couple hours it's gonna start raining and storming, and the tropical storm is going to hit us. Like an island pretty much. Over there is like mainland. We got about 2 hours before a tropical storm gets here. We got a little longer. Oh, yo, what?
How do you do that? It's like
The water's a lot lower still because the storm surge about to come in. And something's swimming over there. You can kind of see it.
yeah, there's a shark. Oh god, panic and fly your legs up.
We saw that like fish thing again. I don't know where it's at, but we saw it. There's so many minnows right all across there.
Over here because there's a school of minnows.
Damn boys. Like, oh, they're coming over here then. Doing the wrong spot now.
Do that.
Careful, sir. Don't go any further.
This is going to be a miserable attempt to climb Palm Tree. Oh boy. This is decently high. Oh. That's about high as I can go. Oh man. He's the destroyer of sandcastles. Oh my gosh. You monster. Oh, it's teabagging. I just saw the warning flags. The medium hazard is actually decent because you get like the good waves.
I like
But you can still
the public one better.
Yeah, that one's actually because like for some reason no one's here, and the waves are gnarly. So the wind and stuff starting to pick up. Storms rolling in.
Mexican corn on the cob and rice and beans.
Look at this food. Look at this food. I was gonna get that, but then like he took it. You know, we always run into this thing where we get like different like looking or like style of food of the day, whether it's like wings or like hot dogs or something.
I know, that's like.
Ew, that place was very good. The food was so good. Liam is literally writing it down in his notes. You got some really good. I tried. It was like, was it mahi mahi in there?
Yep, mahi mahi.
And wasn't there something else?
There was like some really good beans and rice and some Mexican corn. Yeah.
Top of the line.
That's why I wanted it. That's why I wanted
The
it.
the grub was insane.
Oh, look like I got a fake tan. Go back from that. Go back to that angle.
Gorgeous man. This road is cool.
Plant shop.
Yeah, that looks like the place whenever we got.
This might be a future destination. Dog park, splash pad. Alright, so very weirdly, it's like actually like super nice out. Like a couple hours before a freaking tropical storm / hurricane is gonna hit us. They pushed the rain back a little bit, so we're gonna go swim for a bit. Hey. Oh yeah, just caught this boy in the pool, man.
How did it die, Liam? Because Abe, it looked like it went like that.
I mean,
I know, but
they're
I
amphibians. Like
Rosie,
there you go.
Rosie, come here. Come on.
We're on game 2 of chess.
And outside in the yard.
I won the first game. We're just kind of hanging out right now. It still hasn't like rained at all. It's kind of weird. It's gonna rain here, but they keep pushing the rain back. So pretty much the only rain we're gonna get is when the actual tropical storm comes. So. All right, as you can see, it is storming, raining pretty hard right now. And that's not even the hurricane yet. That's just a regular Florida storm. Hopefully it's not last too long. It looks like it might not be too bad. I don't know, but yeah, we're gonna go somewhere, but all the places are closing because the hurricane's gonna hit us like at the night. So that'll be interesting. Yeah, what we got here? Oh, we got some brownie mix. Oh, that brownie mix. Oh, the brownie mix. Okay. I guess it's not brownie mix, bro.
That's some poop. It's not actually brownie mix. It's poop.
Time to play some pool, guys.
I couldn't stop it.
Oh.
I hate my own poop again.
Oh, no, Petrie, why would you do that? Petrie. Stop it. Oh, hey, stop. No eating your own poop, Petrie. No, don't. Stop it. No. What? Oh, I'm not pointing the camera. Oh, no, I'm not pointing the Petrie. Oh, hey.
You couldn't stop.
The brownies have come out.
They're a little, they need to cool a little bit longer.
Yeah?
They came in and wrecked it.
Come on, man. Whatever. They're brownies. You die. Okay.
I don't care if I die.
This one's like falling apart. That's epic. You just said they need to cool a little more.
That's our theme song for today.
We're going for that shot.
Oh!
Get a whole pocket. Okay.
That one.
Oh my goodness.
Get in there.
That's going in.
But it goes. What the dog do? That Chicon? That Chicon, Liam, right? That Chicon? That appears to be parts of the hurricane right over there. It's coming in.
We're about to make a run to Walmart before the hurricane hits us. We go get some fishing poles, just in case for tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stop it at some place.
Yeah, it looks like the hurricane is starting to come in. Probably get some rain here in a bit. Sarasota, which is just south of us, it's already raining and stuff, so it's going to come very soon. It's gonna be like the worst stuff is gonna be overnight, so it might be kind of interesting. Wake up in the night to that 80-mile-an-hour wind gusts. All right, we in Walmart. Looking for some poles. There's some cheap ones. It's like the biggest bait, like lure bait I've ever seen in my life. Freaking crankbait, what the heck? It's giant.
You guys don't like me.
Hey, we got one. We're leaving Walmart and it's doomsday outside.
We just picked up some lures and some poles at Walmart just real quick. Some 4-aught hooks, a jig, a couple soft plastics, bam, some shad,
And
rattle trap.
And all that for under like $15. Good little couple fishing trips we can do here. Wind's starting to pick up a little bit. Got the definitely that's the hurricane right there all around here.
Right at us. It's coming right at us.
Yes, like the center of it's gonna be like right over us.
We're gonna be up here.
Right there. It's literally going right through. It's gonna be right on top of us.
Here's what's gonna happen. Scoop that.
All right,
Where are we at?
And
We've got some spinning motion going northwesterly, and it's gonna spin, and it's gonna take an aggressive turn this way, and it's gonna roll right past it.
it's a Cat 1 right now.
Go
So
ahead.
hurricane. All right, the hurricane is like actually coming now. It's officially a hurricane now. Right over here, it's actually like weirdly nice out here right now. But if you look to this side of me, it's pretty dark, and that is the hurricane right there. That over there is the shore, the Gulf. Watching the movie right now, as the hurricane's rolling in, pretty much. Once it comes, we'll go out there and do. we might go out to cruise.
We can go out there and swim.
Yeah. So once the hurricane actually rolls in, it starts getting really super windy.
Not even wind yet.
All right. So basically,
Not even wind.
it's midnight right now, as you can see. It's pretty much downpouring, but there's really not that much wind. This storm's like almost right on top of us right now, so this might be it. This might not be. I have no idea, but it is just basically raining right now.